Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about technical level for some stock. First stock is NMDC. So now NMDC is trade inside a triangle pattern and there is a 149.55 and 148.45 is the recent support level. So once market is breaks this level and comes down, we can buy this NMDC stock at a 149.55 and 148.45 level. Once it is break below and trade below 148 level, then only it's a sell trend, or else it's just touch this level and retrace back. And we are following 50 minutes candlestick time frame. So whenever market is touch this level and 50 minutes candle is closing above the level, we can go for buy. And if market is breaks and close below the level, 50 minutes candle is closing below the level, we can go for sell. The first stock is NMDC and the second stock is APL Limited. APL Limited is now trading near a support level. Okay, 804 and 798.25. This is the support level. So once market is touch this level and show a uptrend, we can buy these stocks APL Limited. If market is break 798 level and trade below the level, then there is another support level is 774.55 and 767 level. Okay, so you just watch it. So market is touch this level and retrace back, you can buy this stock, or if market is break and a candle is closed below the level, you can sell this stock. This is the next support level. Okay. The third stock is Amara Raja Battery. Amara Raja Battery is recently breaks the triangle pattern. Now it comes down. 747 and 741 level is a strong support level. So once market is touch this level and show a retrace, you can buy the stock at this level. Okay. If market is breaks and close below the level, then only it's a sell trend. Now once market is touch this level, just wait for the buy entry. It will chance to move like this way. If 50 minutes candle is closing below 741 level, then only sell. The next stock is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank 301 and 297 is the support level. Now market is trading in 322 level. Okay, just wait for market is touch this level 301 and 297 level. Okay, if market is touch this level, there is a chance for uptrend. If candle is closing below 297 level, then only it's a sell trend. The last one is Guj Gas Limited. Guj Gas Limited is 640 and 637 is the recent resistance level. The same way 609 and 607 is the support level, strong support level. If market is touch this level, there is an opportunity for sell. If market is comes and touch this level, then there is an opportunity for buy. Okay. If market is breaks and trade above 640 level, then it's bullish uptrend. Or else it's just touch this level and comes down. So just watch these two levels. Okay, I will post all this chart link on my comment box. Once you just click the link, you will get the exact chart with the marking. Okay, now we are going to check the technical level performance which I was given last week. The first stock is Oro Pharma. This is the Oro Pharma chart. So just check Oro Pharma. See, from 11th onwards, it's just touch the support level or support level and goes up and touch the resistance level, see, and comes down. See. So Oro Pharma, it's working perfect. Next stock is Glenmark. Glenmark, it's not touching the support level. Recently only it's touched the support level. So hope it will be goes up. This is the buy area. Once it's break this level, then only it comes down. Now it's just touch this level. So it will be next week it will be chance to move up. Lupin. Lupin, this is the levels I was given. See, 11 it's just touch the level and goes up. See, again comes down. Now it's touch the level again. So once it's touch, so it's chance to goes up again. Once it's break below 940, then only it will chance to comes down. Okay, technical level works Lupin also. See. Next one is Biocon. See, here it's break the support level and candle is closing below the support level. It's a sell. Again it's going up, it comes down. So Biocon is a sell level now. The last one is Ibel Housing Finance. 238 and 235 is the support level. See, now it's touched the support level. It's not breaking to 235 level. See, after 11th you can see. Okay, technical level works in stocks good. So based on these levels you can buy call and put option. Whenever the candle is 50 minutes candle is closing above our level, we can buy a call option. Whenever the candle 50 minutes candle close below the level, then go for a buy for a put option. So hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Nilo on your Telegram. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.